Hey guys, Tech Series here, and today I'm gonna be doing a review of the FriXion Erasable Pen and the rip-out version. Let's get into it. So the Erasable Pen which I bought was from FriXion, Clicker 0.7. It's black color, made in Japan. It cost me $2, and this is from SBC Erasable Pen. This is a cap pen, which is also black, made in China, and also it has two erasers at both ends, making it a little bit different from the FriXion pen. Now there's also a description which SBC has copied from FriXion. Is this description here that they have written about if you want to restore the color, cool to at the -10 Celsius in freezer. And same here, this is what they have copied, same words here. Now let's try the ink test. Alright, let's try the FriXion first. Now the erasable ink is made from thermochromic ink. It's kind of technology which makes it clear and visible for the writing you have. Let's write something here. We're gonna write with the SBC, the rip-out version. I'm not sure which technology this pen uses, but it's very rough when writing with this SBC pen. It's not very smooth like the FriXion pen. That's what the difference also when writing with the both pens. You can see here the difference between here, the SBC is right here, and the FriXion. The SBC is light. It looks more to gray than black. The FriXion is also not as black as the normal ink pen, but since it's erasable, it's a standard color with like that. Now we're gonna do an experiment which you can erase any erasable pen ink with a lighter. This is because of heat. So let's try it right now. Alright, now I've cut off into a smaller piece so it's clear for you guys. Slide the lighter up. And what's the result here? It's clear, you cannot see anything in here, but as you can see some print from the SBC pen, which is not as clear as the FriXion, which means that it's better using the FriXion pen than the SBC. Alright, now we're gonna show you guys a closer look of how it vanishes on this angle. Now we're gonna keep the paper in freezer at below 10 Celsius, -10 Celsius, to restore back the color. Guys, also if you want to buy the cap version of this FriXion pen, there's also available in the stores, but I just want to show you guys the clicking version because it looks cooler with this, and I guess it's easier also. And of course, if make sure to like this video, so I'll be doing giveaway of another FriXion pen here. It's all brand new.
A few moments later.
After 20 seconds later, you can see here it all revived back. And SBC has a little bit problem because it's not as clear as before. Before was slightly darker. The FriXion was, I think it's the same. So I think the best buy it's the FriXion. Now let's try the erasing pen with. Alright, now we're gonna test the erasing test here with the FriXion pen. I'm gonna erase all. You can see the same as when we have used the lighter from before. No difference. That's it for all. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.